Hello friends, in this video, we will show you demo of our new PHP project on chat web application using vanilla JavaScript, Bootstrap 5 library and MySQL database. We have already published many video tutorial on PHP chat application, but in that all tutorials, we have used jQuery library and built chat application. But under this chat application, we have used pure JavaScript with Bootstrap 5 library and build real-time chat application in PHP. In this video, we will show you demo of this vanilla JavaScript chat application, and under this video description, we have put a source code download link. This is the home page of a chat application. Here we can see the basic introduction of chat applications, and below it, we can see login and register form. To get access into this chat application, first we need to register under this web application. So first we have directly clicked on the register button, so it has a display validation error on the web page. Here in register form, all fields are compulsory, so here we have fill all register form fields. After filling the registration form, now we have clicked on the register button, so here it has display, please wait, and after this it has display success message like, please check your email, we have sent the email verification link. So we have go to email inbox, and here we can see the email verification email. Now for verifying email, we have to click on this verification link. Now we have clicked on this link, so it has redirect us to chat application, and it has display email verification success message. Now to get access into this system, we have to log in into system, so we have entered login details like email address and password details. After this we have clicked on the login button. After click on the login button, it has redirect us to chat.html page, and here we can see our chat application dashboard. This is the single page chat application, so all operations we can do on the same page without going to another page. Here on the left side, we can see profile details like username, setting page link and logout button link. Below this, we can see connected people area, so if you have accepted any other user chat request, then that user list will be displayed here. At the right side, we can see search people area, so here we can search people by entering the name under the search text box. And below it, we can see notification area, so here we will see chat request notification, and in the center of this area, we can chat with other people. Now first we have clicked on setting page, so here we can see that setting form has been loaded under this chat.html. Here we can see setting form, with fill form details like first name, last name, email address, password and profile image. User can change these details. So here we have changed last name details, and after this we have changed profile image. Now we have clicked on the save button, and after this, here we can see that, at the profile area username and profile image has been changed, so this way, users can change their profile details, without going to another page. Next we want to chat with other user, but currently in connecting people area, no people found, so first we want to search other user on this system. So in search text box, we have entered John. So here one user has been found with name John. After this, we want to send chat request to this user, so we have simply clicked on this connect button, and after click on the connect button, chat request has been sent to this user. Now in another browser, we have login to John Smith account, so here we have entered login details, and click on the login button. So here in John Smith dashboard, in the notification area, we can see Donna Hubbard chat request notification. Now suppose John Smith wants to chat with Donna Hubbard, so he has to click on this accept button. So here, we have clicked on the accept button. So after click on accept button, here we can see Donna Hubbard chat request has been accepted by John Smith, and Donna Hubbard has been added in John Smith connected people area. Now for chat with Donna Hubbard, we have to click on this Donna Hubbard start chatting button. After click on start chat button, here we can see that chat area has been displayed. Next for sending message to another person, here we have type message here. And after typing chat message, we have clicked on the send button. Once we have clicked on send button, here we can see that message has been sent to another person. Now we have gone to another person's account, and here we have clicked on John Smith start chat button, and after click on the button, here we can see chat message, which have been sent by user John Smith. Now from another person's account, she has typed chat message for sending to another person. After typing a message, here she has clicked on send button. Once we have clicked on send button, here message has been to first person. And in John Smith account, here we can see Donna Hubbard chat message has been received. Now we want to check functionality of real-time chat message system. Now here, we can see both users, chat dashboard web page, on the screen. Next from John Smith account, we have typed something in chat messages, and click on send button. And after click on the send button, the message has been received in the second person account, and now we have typed something in the second person account. And after this, we have clicked on the send button, and after click on the send button, here we can see that chat message has been received in the first user account. So this way, two people can do chat on this chat application in real time. This is the complete demo of this vanilla chat application, which has been built with PHP scripts and MySQL database. So if you want to make chat application by using pure JavaScript, then this project will help you to learn and build real-time chat application using vanilla JavaScript with a PHP script and MySQL database. If you have beginner programmer, then you can also download the complete source code of this project, because we have put a source code download link under this video description. And if you have downloaded source code, and if you have faced any difficulty for setting up this JavaScript chat application in your local computer, then you can also ask your query by comment under this comment box. We will reply to your comment and try to solve your query. Lastly, thank you for watching this video, and for getting updates on future video, please subscribe our channel.